What is up, guys? My DP peeps, it's Josh here, DepriveD Productions, back in Pro Tools with a 7th tutorial with the whole audio production side of things. We're going to talk about buses today. It's actually real simple, and I usually don't show off any of the stuff I'm usually working on personally, but today I'm going to. I got a little piece I'm kind of putting together here, actually. It's kind of a secret, but anyway, I'm working on a little piece. I got some piano. I'm using some plugins you guys probably don't have if you just have like the free version of Pro Tools, but what I want to talk about is the fact you can add a bunch of your little plugins right here, right? You can set little reverbs and EQs and compressions. But let's say I want all these 4 tracks, my piano, my Celesta, and these 2 I haven't named yet, to all be getting one effect. And instead of having to just have one here, 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 and here, you just have one track that does it all. And that's why we're going to create a bus today. I'm going to show you how. We're going to go up to track, you know what I'm talking about? Get a new one. Now I'm going to create a stereo track, obviously. Okay. Instead of audio track, I want you to go to auxiliary input. Aux input. Okay. Create that. Boom. There she is. I'm gonna drag her down to the bottom. It's all geeking out because, you know, like I press buttons and I, you know, forget that I'm talking. I'm gonna right click and rename that bus there. You know what I'm saying? So now the thing is, even if I play the music, nothing's gonna happen. I could go ahead and press play, but the reason is if you go to the mix window here, all these are set to analog. See? You can hear me coming through here, right? Analog 1 and 2. Analog 1 and 2. Well, this we have to set to something. It needs to be analog 1 and 2, right? The output. The output. There I am glitching out again, guys. Always just glitching because I don't care. But here's the thing. The input. That's what's interesting. Now watch. I'm going to go down to bus. Click on this bus 1 and 2. Okay? Now, even if I play the music again, and you're going to hear a little bit of it, and it's going to be real quiet, so I apologize. But if you're just listening here, you don't see anything going through the bus here if you watch this. Nope, nothing, and it's very simple. It's very simple. These guys, go back to the mix window here. These guys are going to analog 1 and 2. We need them to go to bus 1 and 2, and this will send it out to analog 1 and 2. Analog 1 and 2 is basically right now the output that I'm using. So what I do is go to the output of these and pick bus 1 and 2, and I'm glitching out. I'm going to just keep on glitching out. You know why? Let me just glitch out one more time. In fact, I'm going to glitch out 2 more times. We just keep on glitching because I don't care. They're all set to 1 and 2 now, though. Boom. Click, click, clop. All that good nonsense. But now, if we press play, okay, let's go back to our edit window here and click about right here. See it happening. So now we'll turn it up a little bit so we can hear ourselves, just because the levels aren't really that well done just now. I'm just now working on this, so check it out. Now we can see it all running through here. It's kind of dry, right? It's just dry. It's kind of, might think it's cool sounding, but see what's cool now is I can go right here. You know what I'm saying? And I can add a reverb right here on this track, and it'll cover everything going through this bus. Now, I got some stuff, you know, y'all may not got. These are some Waves plugins. It's kind of like again, I usually don't show off a lot of the stuff I'm toying with, but today I am. This is my thing. I use Waves plugins a lot. I use a couple other things. It's, like I said, I mean, all reverbs work. Any reverb can work, but I got one here. It's kind of neat. I can toy with a little bit and kind of get the sound I want if I toy with it. But that's not the only point. I got a reverb I can create. You could go to the Pro Tools one or whatever. You could go to EQ here and add an EQ. I'm obviously gonna add my cool one right here, and I'm gonna, you know, just kind of toy with this a little bit and just make it a little brighter. A couple frequencies I know are kind of off balance here. But anyway, the point is I'm going to add these to this track, so now you'll hear a difference. Now, I'm going to have to bypass both of these for you to hear the difference, but let's say they're off right now. We'll right-click and bypass on both of them and listen to the same section. Real dry. I'll turn this reverb on. Over the entire track, the piano and all the other sounds are all getting that effect. Pretty neat, right? Know what I'm talking about? So honestly, again, I'd crank this thing up a little bit, but like even just the piano. So if I bypass these, just showing you just the piano, real simple sound here at the beginning. It's real muddy, you know what I'm saying? I turn the reverb on, I turn the EQ on this channel, and it's still affecting even just the piano. And again, covering the whole track. That's what I'm talking about, guys. You got a bus. I named it Bus because it's a bus. It might be B-U-S-S. It's too late. It's a bus. But the point is, you can just send stuff to that and make it have effects. Guys, it works. It's kind of neat. I know it's a real quick, kind of real simple tutorial. We've got to show off a couple things I do. I'm just toying around right now, putting something together. But yeah, guys, that's a way to kind of save on resources, because you would have to add all these over here. And you could hold Alt, kind of cool. Just drag it over here, have another one, and add another one. But you know what I'm saying? You don't need those. And no insert there, get rid of this. But the point is, instead of having to have two here, I've just got them both right here on Move. It works for these. And if I need more instruments, it's as simple as going to my mix window and making sure I set the, that's the edit window where I'm already at. Go to the mix window and set it to whatever bus. And I could right click here and rename the bus to whatever I want. I could name it Gat Dang, you know what I'm saying? Just be like, boom, send everything to whatever. The point is, just do whatever you want with it, have a good time. You know what I'm saying? Like, send everything here, save on resources. It's really helpful if you don't have a super, super powerful PC. And like I said, I could send my mic over there, right? Send it to the bus. You know, the bus. Now sound like this? I'm all loud. All kind of cave stuff going on here. You guys don't like that, huh? Let's switch that back real quick. Sorry about that, guys. Hope I didn't scare nobody. I'm back. I'm normal. Still hear my voice kind of resonating though. A little scary. Guys, thanks for watching. Josh here to DepriveD Productions. Hit that subscribe button on the YouTube channel. I'm going to show you guys all kind of cool stuff. This is just a real quick lesson on buses and the Pro Tools. Yeah, hit the Facebook page. Anyway, DepriveD Productions, knock it out. Cool stuff coming. New track later this week. New tutorials in a couple days. Hit me up if you got any questions. Peace.